Welcome to Daily Tutorials. This video is gonna be about the input date type. So let's get started. First, we're gonna put form, and inside this time we're gonna put label, and inside this label we're gonna put date, and we're gonna put the input tag inside. We're gonna change text to date, and we're gonna see the browser. So this is the default input. You can also that the format is month, day, then year, and that depends on your browser. Now let's try some dates. So now let's head to VS Code to add some attributes. First, we're gonna start with the value attribute, which is gonna be our placeholder date. So, and the format should be year. So let's put 2022. Next, I'm gonna put a dash, then month. Let's put May. Next, we're gonna put the day. So let's say 1. Now we're gonna add some more attributes. So let's say min, which is the date we can't go before. So and it takes the same format. So here let's say 2019 dash. Let's say it's May again and first. Now we can also add max, same format again, max 26 dash May again and let's say 01. Now let's check the browser. Here we have our default date, the 1st of May 2022. Now let's check our date limits. Now instead of 2022 I'm gonna put 2016. I'm gonna hit enter. Now let's see our calendar. Here we can see that we can't go beyond 1 May 2019. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.